Quadratic equation is simply an equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is a constant, b is a constant, and c is also a constant. However, we have different methods of solving quadratic equation. And one of the methods of solving quadratic equation is simply completing the square. You may want to ask, why completing the square method? Let's compare these two expressions, plus 5x minus 10. Completing the square method actually helps us to simplify a quadratic equation so that the equation will look easy and simple to solve. It makes an equation to be in a simple form. Now, to solve this using completing the square method, the first thing is we move our constant c to the other side, which means we'll have 2x squared plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Negative 10 will move to the other side as 2x squared plus 5x is equal to 10. Secondly, we make sure the coefficient of x squared, which is 2, is 1 by dividing through by 2. So that we'll have 2x squared plus 5x is equal to 10 over 2 over 2 over 2. So we are left with x squared plus 5 over 2x is equal to 5. So the third step is to find half coefficient of x, which is 5 over 2. So that we say 5 over 2 times 1 over 2, which is half of x, which is 5 over 4. Then we square it and add it to both sides. Now, this will replace all of this. Instead of 5 over 2x, it will be 5 over 4 squared. So that on the left hand side, we have x squared plus 5 over 4 squared is equal to 5 plus 5 over 4 squared. Now, since we have square here and plus square here, we can say x plus 5 over 4 all squared equals 5 plus 5 squared over 4 squared, which gives us x plus 5 over 4 squared equals 5 plus 5 squared is 25 and 4 squared is 16. So that when we add 5 plus 25 over 16, we'll have 16 over 16 divided by 1 is 16. 16 times 5 is 80 plus 16 divided by 16 is 1, and 1 times 25 is 25. So that we'll have 105 over 16. So let this remain the same as x plus 5 over 4 square equal to 105 over 16. Bringing back 105 over 16 to the left hand side, we'll have x plus 5 over 4 all squared minus 105 over 16 is equal to 0. Now, this new equation is the same thing as this equation, because this is what completing the square method will result. Completing the square method will result to this, and this we can find the value of x from here by simply what? finding the square root of both sides so that the square will leave x plus 5 over 4. So if we square root both sides, we'll have x plus 5 over 4 is equal to root 105 over 16. We make the equation simple to solve so that we can easily find our value for x. However, this and this, they are the same. This is using completely the square method from this question, and we've gotten this, and this are the same. How? If we expand x plus 5 over 4 square, we'll have x plus 5 over 4, x plus 5 over 4 minus 105 over 16 is equal to 0. So that x times x will give us x squared. X times 5 over 4 will give us 5 over 4x. 5 over 4 times x will still give us 5 over 4x. Then 5 over 4 times 5 over 4 will give us 25 over 16. Now minus 105 over 16 is equal to 0. So if we have 5 over 4x plus 5 over 4x, it will be 10x over 4 now plus this minus this, which will be 16 over negative 80 is equal to 0, which means we still have x squared plus 10 over 4x minus 80 over 16 is equal to 0. And 80 over 16 is 5, so that x squared plus 10 over 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, which means we have x squared plus 5 over 2x minus 5 equals 0. Now, we'll multiply through by 2 so that 5 will not be over 2. So we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0, which means after completing the square method to get this is the same thing as this, as we've proved. So this is the hidden secret on completing the square method.